I have my skirt block already. I used a 3 centimeter width of that. So, which means I have 1.5 here, 1.5 centimeter here. And this is by 14 inches. Sorry, 14 centimeter. Why this is about 10 centimeter. And if you want, you can reduce it. So, now we want to incorporate the other line. So from the hip line, we are going to measure upward 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter, and where it stops, we are going to measure another 6 centimeter. That will be a guideline. I've measured my 6 centimeter, but we are not going to need this part. One, I want to quickly tell you this. I'm using a small scale, which means everything I'm saying here will be done directly on your B scale. That is, all the measurements I'm using right now is for actual a B scale. So the next thing you're going to do, from this angle, you connect it to this, the 14 centimeter dart in this direction, in that direction. Then this as well, you connect it. Are we good with that? So this is what we'll be doing now. And at this edge here, because you know the pregnancy is bulky, so we need to increase from here, from the center front. You take it up by 2 centimeter. You take it up by 2 centimeter, then connect it to the side in this direction. Very simple. Very simple. So the next thing we are going to do now is, we are done with the illustration. All we need to do is to close the 2 darts. Of course, you're going to take this dart leg up. You take the legs up. So we are going to close the 2 darts, so we'll be able to slash from here. Do you understand? So let me quickly close the darts and show you what it's going to look like. Now I've closed the dart. You can see the way it's puffing out. So I'm going to slash through. So it can release itself. Now that I've slashed it, you can see that it went up. So it means we're going to put the fullness around here. Yes. So when you have it in this direction, you need to blend from the waist, from the hip line. You need to blend it to the waist so that the fullness we created can accommodate the pregnancy. So how do we do that? I'll quickly show us how to go about. So what I quickly did is to trace out the pattern. And as you can see, I shaded this part. So by the time we take off the pattern, you will know that is where the fullness is. So now we need to blend the pattern properly. So by the time you place it on your fabric, it will be much easier to cut out. So now that I've taken that out, I've taken it out now. I'm going to blend this. That's the center front. I'm going to blend it properly in this direction. It is quite simple, very simple. And the waistband is going to be in proportion to the waist. You know the waist has been increased now, so it's going to be in proportion to the waist. Now the waist cannot just be straight like this. We need to curve it. So what do? We curve it a little bit. You know, this is the actual waistline. So we'll curve it a little bit, but not so deep. Not so deep. So this remain our center front. It's going to be on fold, and like I said, the waistband is going to be the measurement of this waistband is going to be in proportion to the waist. And like I told us, the center back remains the same because we don't have pregnancy at the back. It's just the center front. So the center back remains the same. And to achieve this, when stitching the center front, all you need to do is make sure you place on fold. You can cut on bias. So the fullness will be flexible to accommodate. I hope I'm making sense. This is the hip line. The waist, hip, waist, then the side. I hope I've been able to illustrate perfectly, and I believe you understand what I've just done. What we did is adapting for using our basic skirt to adapt for maternity skirts. Do you get that? Thank you so much. I want you to like, subscribe, make comments. If you don't like it, let me know. If you like it, let me know. If you want us to do some certain things for you, please let us know. Thank you so much.